You guys got a lot of Nerf guns. Yeah. Some blasters. I made a pile of books. What would you think about 25 for those?
Sounds great.
Does that sound cool?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
And then there were a couple cool things over here.
Yeah.
Like this one here. What would you need for that?
For the
math.
manipulatives?
Yeah, whatever that is.
Could you do 15?
15?
Yeah.
I was interested in that and that. You want to bundle them for 20?
How about 25?
25?
Yeah.
Okay, so we were at 25 there, 25 there?
There, yeah.
So 50 for all?
Great. Yeah.
All right, cool. All right. Would you happen to have change for 60 by chance?
This is a super cool. Have you seen it before?
I have not. No.
Oh, it is super cool. And
Is
I
it?
bet you could probably resell it well.
Well, I'm sure my kids will want to play with it before I resell it.
Yes.
But
Yeah, it's a great game. We did a Girl Scout troop meeting with it, and quite a few people really like. There are a few dads there that really got into the coding.
Nice. Very cool.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much. I appreciate the deal and hope you guys have a good sale.
I hope you have a good day too.
Yeah. I'll just make another trip for those books. Oh, you sure?
Yep.
Oh, awesome. Thank you.
Hi, good morning.
Hi there.
We're just moving.
Just setting up, huh?
Yeah. Just leave it like this. Yeah.
What do you want to do with these cutting boards?
I don't know if you want me to put the cutting boards on here. Do you want me to bring those lights?
Yeah, maybe put them.
I'll put the light fixtures. Alright, I can use that. Yeah, all of this stuff is also, so we're just still moving stuff
Right,
forward.
yeah. How much you want on your set of pants here?
Artie, how much do you want? 20 bucks for it? This is new, right?
That's brand new.
Yeah, we just opened it and shit.
20?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey guys.
I mean, whatever. That make an offer. Hey guys.
What's your YouTube channel?
Oh, Jimmy McThrifty.
Jimmy McThrifty.
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead, check it out,
I think I've
guys.
seen you somewhere.
Have you?
Okay, thank you.
Well, I'm not Adam Sandler, I'll tell you that. So I've been mistaken for that. But yeah, thanks, guys.
You're a comedian?
No. I get mistaken for one though.
Oh, okay. I thought they had seen you in a comedy show. I said, oh.
No, I got a YouTube channel. So.
Sometimes for shows or something.
Oh, do you? Cool. What's that?
What do you do on YouTube?
So I go to garage sales like this and try to find bargains.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, just there's some just making offer and it's
Wait, let me
visible.
move. Alright, go take that.
This stuff here for sale as well?
Yeah,
Got some
towels,
pillows and towels.
That duvet set is a queen and it's brand new.
Okay. Whoa, hey,
Stop.
bud.
Come here, Max. Come here, Max. Milo. Come inside, boys. Come inside, boys. Come on. Hop up, hop up, hop up. Hop up. Yes. Yeah, y'all have to go to school, guys.
Oneida.
Go get ready. Get your backpacks ready.
We're ready, Daddy.
Okay, did you guys eat breakfast? I hope you guys ate breakfast.
Maxie! Daddy, Max's head will get in.
Okay, Max, go inside, please. Go inside.
Let's see.
That just has to be polished. We thought.
Yeah.
We thought we would
Sheridan.
polish. We're from New Orleans, so it's from the south. I mean,
Yeah.
like,
Oh. Could we do 15 on the pans? Would that be okay?
Sure. Did you want anything else? I usually try to group price
that's,
everything.
Yeah, I think that's probably it.
Okay.
What you got back there?
Oh, these are like stemless wine glasses and a new wine
cool.
cork.
Okay.
And, the basket.
Don't have any like electronics or sporting goods or toys?
Toys probably tomorrow because the kids have to clean up their basement. As far as just the bike and then Easter stuff there.
Yeah.
Snow blower. And just kind of houseware, knickknacks, mirror.
Okay.
Rugs. So no, and then I don't know if we changed some of the fixtures.
Right.
I don't know if you need any of that stuff. Faucet. No, toys probably tomorrow.
Probably tomorrow. Okay.
We didn't get that stuff organized, but we have to get permission from the kids. So yeah, that's fine. If you just want this,
that's cool.
$15, that's
awesome.
Fine.
Let's see. I think I got exact change. There's 5, 10.
All right, sounds
15.
good. All right.
Cool.
Thank you.
Thanks, man. I appreciate the deal.
You're welcome.
What would you guys think about $10 on the Beyblades?
Okay.
Would that do it?
Yeah.
All right. Well, you guys got to make some money. But
Well, we're on YouTube, so it's all good.
all right. Which one of you guys do I pay?
You pick.
I got you. It's running away.
You pick who you pay. Whoever you give the money to gets it.
Gets it? Oh man, you guys got to split it up. You guys are brothers, aren't you? Twins. Oh goodness.
Here, you guys both get 3. I'll get $4.
So, all right, split it equally as best you can. Thanks, guys. See ya.
I'm talking about my mother-in-law, not yours.
They always fighting.
Look, Gorda. She looks like.
Oh man, that's funny.
They're always fighting.
That's
No kidding.
They all came from Texas. I bought them at Sam's in Texas.
Me dan ganas, pero ¿para qué, Martín? Tú una niña, mira, Martín. Mira, si fuera
$10 on the
todo
clubs.
lo puesto como $10.
Whoops.
Para, Martín, a una niña allá, tengo yo una niña
Sí, pero no, cuando se los han dado, me como un loco.
no, buscar una niña, ¿sabes qué? Tienes una niña del McDonald's. Y ella te da café en veces, dáselo.
DVD recorder.
Porque tiene una niña, creo.
Got $50. Are any of these new in the box, or are they just put back in the box?
I'm sure they're put back in the box.
Oh,
They're my
okay.
son-in-law's.
Okay.
I called him. He's at a meeting in Omaha, and he said
Oh.
everything that's in the box, it's in the box what's in there.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
So yeah, it matches. Yeah.
We can open them up and look at them, whatever you want.
Okay.
He's techie, not me.
He's techie. This one's kind of cool. Is there a price you'd have for all 4 of these?
For our granddaughter. So she went through all of her toys so we could buy.
All right, so I'm
You
gonna
know
pick
what?
up this little toy thing here.
Okay. Perfect.
The last instruction was make them gone.
Make them
Yeah.
gone?
So,
That's
what? 4 of them?
Yeah, 4 of them.
Is 40 out of control?
No, 40's fine.
Okay.
So I can do that. And then these are 10.
Yeah,
So that'd put us at 50.
right.
Okay, cool. Cool, I'll do that.
I'm playing Barbies today.
There's a lot of girls' toys here. Would you happen to have changed,
They're
sir?
all our
Sure I do.
granddaughters.
Okay.
They all belong.
Can you? Never mind.
What?
I haven't been into this yet.
I haven't had to break into the change basket yet, huh? Awesome. I appreciate the deal, man. And
This is all. This is for this little girl, so she can get some bigger gloves.
oh, is that right?
Yeah, she's growing to 5'10".
And she still likes golf.
Yeah,
So
she's
that's
9
awesome.
years old and she's 5'10".
Yeah. Well, I've got a little girl that probably wouldn't be too far behind, and she's ready to start at this stage.
Yeah,
So
that's perfect.
Yeah.
They can
Yep.
beat on them. And
that's right. Not going to hurt them, are they? So I'll come back for this this other stack here. So thank you. Okay. Hi. Wow. What a day, huh?
Right? Normally I like rain.
Not when you're trying to have a garage sale, huh?
Garage sale weekend.
Ooh.
Yeah, I think I have an extra tarp, chair tarp thing. In the backyard, we did have this covered.
Mm-hmm.
You good? Wait, still trying to send. So, it comes
A
up.
talking battleship.
Sit up where the middle finger is.
How much for the battleship game here?
It's $1.
$1? Okay.
Yeah. And then I'm just gonna make. No, she just was looking.
Strategy.
She needs to turn around when I put her back in.
I can go to the cards if I have.
It's a nice camera bag.
Thank you. Have a great day. You too.
Yeah, do you need
I think I'm okay.
Thank you.
I'm gonna put my phone in my pocket for a second.
How much on your air filters?
It all comes with
Yeah.
it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's all part of it.
One package. Gotcha. A pretty nice little tackle box. $10. Magnum Plano. There's a Plano.
Thank you.
Some 33s.
75-cent thing. My dog didn't take to that.
No?
It hasn't been, it's been tried, but not
Not used?
if that makes sense.
That's good to know.
I'll make
Oh, that's a
sign
lot
for
of 3.
that. I know, my brain can't process
I think I'll go ahead and take the camera bag and that, so it'd be 6.
$6.
Yeah, if you've got change. Perfect. Awesome. Thank you very much. I appreciate it, guys.
Thanks.
Hope y'all have a good
Stopping
rest
by
of your
in the
stay.
rain.
Yeah.
You may have to come around that side.
No problem. No problem. All right, y'all have a good day.
Thanks, you too.
Thanks.
You got it all?
Yep. Ooh. You having a sale, man?
Morning.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. Are you having a garage sale?
Yes.
Okay, cool. It's so cloudy and rainy out, it's hard to tell.
Yeah, it's my chance.
What do you think? Legit? I'd probably say no. Yeah. That's pretty cool. This stuff here for sale, or?
Everything for sale. Those are for hunting.
Oh, okay. Oh, there it is. How much for the jacket here?
How much you want to pay?
As little as possible. I can't even tell if it's.
It's almost brand new. No damage, no nothing.
Okay.
It's good for rain and snow.
You do $5 on it?
5 is too low. Go,
5 is too low?
Go 7.
7? All right, I'll do 7.
Sure.
Those are $2 each.
$2? Okay, cool. Thank you. How much for the bag here?
I don't know. Maybe has here.
Okay.
How much you want for a bag?
Oh, this is handmade. You can take it for $5.
5? Would you do 3?
I don't know.
What's that?
This is a real leather.
Okay.
This is from Middle East.
Okay.
And it's brand new, never used.
All right.
Just didn't want it.
Okay.
No use for it.
All right. So we got 7 and 5. That put us at $12. All right, cool. I think I have exact change.
I hope the ring stopped.
Yeah, it really came out. I don't know.
I think it's stopped.
Oh, are you? Well, I think it's supposed to clear up this afternoon, so.
Yeah.
All right. Well, you guys have a good rest of your sale. I appreciate the deal. Hi. Ooh.
It's not stretchy, so these got, and I wait. The rest of it fit, but these were in the way. So, I understand your concern.
Yes.
Bigger than that, yeah, no, I understand. The girls are problems sometimes, so.
I like things like that at home.
That's cute, right?
And I'll risk it for $1.
Okay, awesome.
Done. I know he's not quite there yet, but I'm just thinking. Here, take a couple bunches.
My 3-year-old wore them.
Oh,
So about three years old. That's kind of his size.
Yeah, he just already turned 2.
Okay.
So, and he's a small bit.
Yeah, my guy's little too.
Oh, yeah. Oh, he is a size. Okay. So that looked kind of thick, you know, but.
What you asking for the camera?
So he wants 90.
Hey, Chihuahua. Okay.
If you or make me an offer, and then like this stuff
Comes with
it. I don't know what any of it is. I think it's the batteries. And here's the batteries.
Okay.
I'll take 50.
You'll take 50 for it?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, he's not here. So
I won't tell if you don't.
If you wanted to haggle about price, bro, you should be here.
Yeah.
I know.
It's been traveling with us everywhere we've moved, and I'm like, let's just.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So, but it's been safe. It's been in a bag, nice. I cleaned it up.
Is there anything in particular that you're looking for?
Really anything.
I've got a microwave.
You got any sporting goods or toys or video games?
No, I don't. I have a Google.
I have an
It's a Google.
OG original Series 1 Xbox.
Okay.
I would have no clue.
Got any games to go with it, or?
I'm sure we do.
Okay. Yeah, I'd be interested if you'd be interested in selling it.
Let me ask my husband. So like $30, and you get the little man.
Okay.
As an added bonus.
Okay.
Just for you.
No games in here though?
Games
Oh, bummer.
There's also a router in there.
Yeah.
And so,
oh, goodness.
I don't know what this is.
Or my snowboards. Sporting goods. There you
It
go.
is sporting goods. No baseball bats or gloves?
That's a super hilarious question because I swear to God, I've been in my garage before. I literally just moved them because I was going to ask you if you wanted them, Lisa.
Oh.
But, okay. Baseball gloves. And balls.
Okay.
So,
Would you be willing to sell those, or
sure.
what would you have to have for these?
I would have no earthly notion. I'm going to say $15.
15 for the pair?
Yeah, that's baseball gloves. $15 for the baseball gloves. I don't know. She's here.
I would.
Yeah, my poor husband just walked in the door and he's been part of this whole extravaganza all morning.
I mean, I'd probably do 10 for the pair, but
I mean,
it's up to you.
10, not 10 for the. I did 15 for the pair.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
I got the assignment.
Hello, how are you?
Good. How are yourselves?
We're doing all right. We also.
Would you do 40 for the camera?
Yep.
Okay, cool.
That was too fast.
That was a fast yes.
That was too fast.
I don't care. Get rid of it.
Girl, you need to work on your bargaining skills.
No, just I'm not gonna. I don't care.
All right, I appreciate the deal. Thank you.
Of course.
All right, guys. Well, that is going to do it for me today. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you real soon with another video.